Hi guys, it's Max from Baby Birds back today with another video. We're very excited today to have lovely Layla from Britax. She's going to be going through the main features of the new ADVANSAFIX Pro in the lovely teak colour.
Yeah, thank you. So ADVANSAFIX Pro in teak is part of our new fabric range called Style. And with this range, we've got our lovely mesh fabrics, which are super plush, got real nice like comfort.
The padding on that is fantastic.
Yeah. And then we've got like a mesh fabric on top of that, so it works really well for the more warmer months because you've got that airflow kind of going through. So
now is the perfect time to buy, basically.
Yeah, basically, yeah, perfect season. So this car seat goes from 15 months to 12 years.
Wow.
And the installation is top tether and ISOFIX. And for harness mode, which is the mode that is in now with the soft performing chest pads, this would go to 105 centimeters or 22 kilos in harness mode. So it's really great because you're getting that extra weight limit. And then it does actually convert into our best-selling high back booster, which is the KidFix Pro. So with that, you'll be able to go up to 12 years. So yeah, it's an all-rounder great car seat.
And really lasts as a huge age range, really, doesn't it? So essentially, you're getting like multiple car seats in one, basically, with this car seat.
Definitely.
Fantastic. So can we show how the sort of top tether works if we spin this one around? So top tether, if you're not aware, it's basically if you open up the boot of your car, you might have little like anchorage points. It's pretty quite obvious with most cars, and then it basically attaches to the back with the little clip just here. So that is your sort of top tether, isn't it? So
yeah, that's right. So how it works is this little bit would attach to the anchorage point, like Max said, behind the back of the vehicle seat. So in the boot, you'd find it. It would attach there. And then when it is installed correctly, you would see this little green tag here. So you've got real peace of mind. Anything green is good with this car seat.
Fantastic. That's a great safety feature. You don't get many other sort of car seats and everything. So if you hit the screen, it's good to go, safe, correctly installed. Fantastic.
Exactly. And then it's the same with the ISOFIX. So it's single arm ISOFIX, which means that it's super easy to install. If you just turn that around, thank you. You'll see that it would come out just like that, and then you would push that into your anchorage ISOFIX, which is in the vehicle car, and then you would pop that in, and then you would also do the other side.
Fantastic. ISOFIX points alone, little bars just underneath the sort of the car seats. If you're having issues finding them or anything like that, just pop down to Baby Birds. We'll be happy to install the car seat for you free of charge, not a problem at all. But yeah, really easy and simple to do.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So this car seat basically goes from harness mode to high back booster. So what that basically means is we get rid of this harness, essentially. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
So all of it just sort of like tucks away, basically. Is that correct?
Yeah, so everything you need to convert it into a high back booster is within the car seat. So yeah, it's a perfect opportunity to like pop down to Baby Birds, and so they can show you how to install it, and you'll be able to see like how easy it is to do.
It comes in a range of different colours, isn't it? It's not just the teak, although it is really nice. What other colours does it come in?
So we've got it in our Style range, so that would be like teak, that would be harbour blue, which is a lovely like really light blue, and then we've got dusty rose, which is super popular, and from our Luxe range, which is our more like embossed fabric, you'd have warm caramel, soft taupe, olive green and linen grey. Yeah,
so huge variety of colours available, all sort of like gender neutral ones as well, but the teak, I've got to say, is really nice in person, so come and check it out if you can. It is a super padded, safe car seat that's going to be staying in the car the entire time, but covers a huge age range, and really easy and simple to use as well. So if you are interested in an all sort of age range car seat, come down to Baby Birds, ask about the Britax ADVANSAFIX Pro, and yeah, we'll be back very soon with some more videos. Thanks so much.
Thank you.